Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A modern, southwestern style house with a large, covered patio area. The house is constructed of light tan/gray stone, with dark gray metal accents. Large windows allow views of an interior living area with warm, golden lighting. A covered patio, with wooden decking/roofing, extends from the house and features a light-colored sofa set. The landscaping is desert-themed, featuring a variety of succulents, cacti, and low-lying plants, alongside large, substantial rocks. A dark-colored chaise lounge is situated in the patio area. The lighting is soft and warm. The sky is a light blue, transitioning to a pale orange and pink at the horizon, with scattered clouds. Cozy cabin by the lake in autumn, hyper-realistic style, featuring a rustic stone exterior with wooden accents. The cabin is surrounded by vibrant fall foliage in shades of orange, yellow, and red. Soft, warm light glows from the windows, reflecting on the calm water of the lake. A wooden deck extends into the water, adorned with potted plants and a small sculpture. The scene conveys tranquility and connection to nature. The atmosphere is serene, with falling leaves and a hint of mist rising from the water, inviting a sense of peace and solitude. A modern, minimalist concrete and stone house nestled within a misty forest. Hyper-realistic rendering, autumnal colors, pale gray concrete exterior with dark gray accents, stone fireplace and chimney, large glass windows showcasing the interior, warm interior lighting, outdoor patio with a stone fireplace, comfortable furniture, sofa, armchair, ottoman, a small water feature, leafy autumn trees in the fog, focus on the interplay of light and shadow, impressionist-style textures and atmosphere, detailed landscaping, natural stone fireplace, dark metal railings. A modern architectural marvel set in a serene outdoor environment, emphasizing a harmonious blend of nature and design. The scene features a contemporary house with a combination of natural stone and sleek black metal accents, characterized by large glass panels reflecting warm indoor lighting. A cozy outdoor space showcases plush seating with neutral fabrics, surrounded by landscaped greenery, including vibrant yellow flowers and smooth stones. The warm amber glow from the exterior lighting creates a welcoming atmosphere as dusk settles in, enhancing the rich textures of the wooden deck and the rugged stone chimney. The colors range from earthy tones to the soft illumination of the interior, creating a sense of comfort and tranquility. A modern, luxury home with a large open-plan living area that seamlessly transitions to an outdoor patio. The exterior is a combination of dark gray stone and glass, showcasing a contemporary aesthetic. Full-height windows of dark, matte black framing allow for stunning views of the surrounding landscape. Landscaping includes lush greenery, potted plants, and low-maintenance stonework. Steps lead to the patio area, crafted from slate-like gray stone decking. A patio lounge area with comfortable seating and a coffee table is situated within the open-plan design. The atmosphere is serene, inviting, and luxurious. The lighting is soft and warm, casting a warm, inviting ambience on the exterior of the house, enhancing the feeling of relaxation and tranquility. A modern, luxurious home nestled within a lush tropical garden. Multi-story structure with gray stone exterior, dark metal accents, and wooden decking. Large windows showcasing the indoor, outdoor living spaces, filled with the warm, golden light of indoor lighting. A reflecting pool of dark, slate gray water extends in front of the home. Outdoor furniture, including comfortable seating and planters with tropical plants, is placed strategically along the pool deck. The landscape is dense with greenery, featuring various tropical plants and trees. The lighting creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, highlighting the textures and details of the home and surrounding garden. A modern, minimalist, waterfront house with a dramatic stone facade. Large windows and sliding glass doors allow for stunning views of the lake. The house is built on a rocky landscape, with large, gray boulders forming part of the foundation and the surrounding landscaping. The exterior features a mix of gray stone, dark gray metal beams and supports, and warm wooden accents on the roof and interior overhangs. The house is lit from within, creating a warm glow that contrasts with the cool tones of the stone and water. The colors are a mix of cool grays, warm browns and oranges, and the deep blues and greens of the lake and surrounding trees. A modern, minimalist, waterfront house with a dramatic stone facade. Large windows and sliding glass doors allow for stunning views of the lake. The house is built on a rocky landscape, with large, gray boulders forming part of the foundation and the surrounding landscaping. The exterior features a mix of gray stone, dark gray metal beams and supports, and warm wooden accents on the roof and interior overhangs. The house is lit from within, creating a warm glow that contrasts with the cool tones of the stone and water. The colors are a mix of cool grays, warm browns and oranges, and the deep blues and greens of the lake and surrounding trees. A modern, minimalist cabin nestled in a misty forest. A large, light gray stone house with a dark gray metal roof and large windows with warm, golden-orange light emanating from within. The interior is visible through the glass, showcasing wooden accents and furniture. An outdoor deck with dark gray furniture, a dining table and a sofa are visible. A stone fireplace/fireplace insert with a fire is on part of the deck. The surrounding forest is dense with dark green trees, shrouded in a light, misty atmosphere. The lighting and colors create a peaceful, serene mood. The scene is realistic, with a focus on sharp architectural lines and the natural ambience of the surrounding forest. A modern, rustic, stone house nestled in a wooded autumnal setting. Large, dark-framed windows extend nearly the full width of the house and provide plenty of light. The house is constructed using substantial, light gray/beige stone, with dark gray/black accents on the roofing and window frames. The stonework has a natural, rough-hewn texture, and the dark roofing creates a strong contrast. A large patio area extends outward from the house. The patio has a contemporary wooden deck and furnishings, creating an outdoor living space. The ambience is inviting and serene, with autumn leaves and rocks scattered around the base of the house. A spacious, modern rustic stone house nestled in a wooded area at Twilight. The house is built with large, natural stone blocks, creating a warm, earthy tone. A covered patio area extends from the house, decked with dark brown wooden flooring and furnished with contemporary outdoor furniture in gray and black. Soft, warm lighting illuminates the interior and exterior spaces, casting a gentle glow on the stone walls, patio, and surrounding greenery. The trees in the background are lush and dark green, creating a serene atmosphere. The lighting should be soft and diffused. Impressionist style rendering, but with hyper-realistic details of the stonework. A modern, mid-century inspired home nestled within a wooded landscape, featuring large glass walls that offer panoramic views of the surrounding trees. The home's facade is a mix of dark stained wood beams, dark metal accents, and stacked stone. Warm interior lighting casts a golden glow through the glass windows, highlighting the living room and patio area furnished with minimalist furniture. The wooden deck levels down to a water feature with lily pads. The trees surrounding the home are in autumn colors, with oranges and yellows dominating. A modern, elegant home nestled in a lush forest setting. Large, gray stone exterior walls, accented with dark-stained wood trim and black windows, frame a spacious home with a large sunroom.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.